Hi guys, my name is Nasib, down here at Nama, downtown RVA. Today we're going to be making a variation on a boulevardier called Johnny Takes a Walk with a Boulevardier. So a traditional boulevardier consists of three main components, those being a bourbon, Campari, and a sweet vermouth. In our recipe, we are doing a split base with George Dickel Rye and Johnnie Walker Black Label. We've substituted the Campari for Aperol, and for our sweet vermouth, we're going to be using Carpano Antica formula and some Peychaud's aromatic bitters. Okay, so in no particular order, we're going to start with equal parts George Dickel Rye and Johnnie Walker Black Label. That's 3/4 ounce each, and then an ounce of Aperol. Three-quarter ounces of sweet vermouth. I'm going to serve this in a rocks glass with a large cube. Let's not forget the bitters. You're going to want to stir this cocktail because it affects the texture and mouthfeel of the drink. Fine strain. And lastly, we're going to finish with an orange expression. You're going to want to squeeze your swath to get any oils out and into your drink. And there you have it. That's Johnny Takes a Walk with a Boulevardier. Cheers. Don't forget to check us out online. Find us at namarva.com. We're open Tuesday through Saturday for curbside pickup and delivery.